Hello and welcome back to Echo Edge Aviation. I just wanted to show you that quite late last night I finished the Tornado Gr1 I was building. It was from a magazine. My dad got it a long time ago and said I could build it, so there's a few parts missing, such as the canopy, as you can see here, as well as the pilots and the rack for the bombs, and a few bits were warped, like the mount for one of these fuel tanks. I can't remember which one it is, but anyway, I just wanted to show you the finished model. So the next model I'm working on is this AV8B Harrier. This is 144 scale. Here's the decals. I can't read that at the minute. Anyway, that's the decals that I'm using, and it's this. I don't have the box in here at the minute. These are the colours I've decided to paint it in. The actual colours are in the same order as on the sheet here. So for now, bye, and please subscribe.